Here's a little small haul from Michael's. I went glitter shopping yesterday. It actually matches the paper. This particular glitter does. See, it matches. Some white glitter that glows in the dark. Pencil, Paradisette Crystal Mint, and Winter Mint by Martha Stewart. Micro Bead, Small Glitter. Those are just items. Got this as well. This glitter pack. Very pretty colors in there. Yeah, vintage leaves. Never used them before, but I've seen people using them in their mixes, and can't wait to try them. Yep, there's those Hearts and Stars again by Martha Stewart. Yep, gotta have them. And the Fluorescent Fine Glitter by Martha Stewart. So pretty. Never used those. Never used the leaves either. And pencil set. Different colors in there. There's some pencil I've never used in there as well. Can't wait. But yep, that's my haul from Michael. Yep. Hope you enjoyed.